So if you've been following Casual Builds for quite some time now, you'll realize that I haven't posted a video in, I don't know, a very long time. And there is a kind of a reason for that. But before I tell you my story, why don't we go someplace with a better view, huh? So I think one of the biggest reasons why I haven't posted is that we moved cross country to Colorado. So yeah, moving to Colorado is definitely a big change for myself and the family, but we're super excited to be here, and there's going to be a lot more in store for Casual Builds coming soon. But first, why did I stop posting to YouTube about 9 or 10 months ago or so? The length of my channel, I've always made furniture or woodworking projects or things as it related to the shop that I had back in Massachusetts, and then also our house. So I made a lot of stuff for that, and I got to a point where I just didn't have any ideas for new things to make for our house. We didn't need much. I would have friends and family reaching out and asking me to make something for them, but typically it was something that I already made. And I'm kind of more on the YouTube side than the woodworking side. So I make videos like this because I find it really fun. And I also enjoy just tinkering around and making some things that aren't too elegant that a normal DIYer or beginner woodworker can do. So I got to that point where I didn't have that many ideas to run. And then it was also heading into the winter months and my shop is not heated. And I just lost motivation. So it came down to all of that. And then kind of the third thing is that I didn't know what direction to take my channel because I was getting a lot of views on such beginner projects or like how to make money doing a specific thing. My two most successful videos were how to make a cutting board for beginners and how to sell something on Etsy for 50 bucks. Those did really well, but that's not really the direction I wanted to take my channel to. It was more of like a, hey, why don't we just make something, I'll film it and you can enjoy. And yeah, there's more to it, but let me find a different place with a better view and we can chat a little bit further. And then one thing that I forgot to mention is that I also got a new job around all of this time, like everything was going on. So that was another reason why I just stopped uploading to YouTube so frequently. And I will chat more about the new job later because it also ties into my future plans for this channel. But I will say my new job has given me a brand new perspective on just the creator space in general and how to manage a YouTube channel and how to build an audience. And the one thing that I did learn is that you want to focus on building a community. And that is something that I have failed to do since the start of Casual Builds and something that I plan to improve upon as I move forward. Because to be honest, when I had those two videos that did really, really well, I got a lot of new subscribers, but a majority of my subscribers for this channel do not watch my videos. And I think that's because I am not connecting with you guys. So I am going to try to do a better job of doing that. What kind of content can you expect to see from Casual Builds moving forward? That is a great question. I would love to tell you. So I do have a few ideas in mind. I'm actually working on a project right now for some overhead garage storage, so expect to see a video of that. I do want to make a couple videos on how I 3D model some of my designs using SketchUp or Fusion, so expect some videos on that as well. And then I just have a blank slate, an open canvas in my garage right now for my workshop. So I'm definitely gonna need some storage carts, some things to put my tools on, so I expect to build some of those. So let's go back to my point from earlier where a bunch of my subscribers don't actually watch the videos that I'm creating. I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna focus on that 3 to 4% of people that are subscribed and watching my videos and listen to them and cater to the videos that they want to see. So if you're one of those people in that 3 to 4%, please let me know in the comments down below. I wanna see and hear from you, what you're hoping to see from this channel based upon the videos that you've watched already. And then also in terms of the video editing and style of the videos, I'm gonna try to do it a little less overboard. So I always like to edit. I find the editing process very enjoyable, but I feel like it takes away from me just getting out there and creating some content. I'm not gonna worry about all these different animations and stuff. I'll obviously still put some stuff in there because I enjoy making it, but I'm not gonna spend that much time because I wanna make my focus on actually getting content out rather than holding back and then waiting for that video to be perfectly edited before I release it. And the last and final thing that I wanted to say is, yeah, I'm not gonna make you watch all of that. The camera was way too shaky, I was sweaty and out of breath, and I wasn't even saying the right thing. What I was trying to say is that the company that I work for now is called Uscreen, and it's a video monetization membership platform, basically helping content creators create their own Netflix style like viewing experience for their audience. It's really cool. I'll leave a link down in the description below if you want to take a look at it. But my plan is that I want to start creating more premium content, kind of, and build like a membership to Casual Builds, because I post a lot to YouTube, or I have, and I want to create some additional videos that those that are willing to, you know, join a membership or pay me a monthly fee or whatever the case, similar to Patreon. And if you're willing to do that, you can get some premium content behind the scenes, whatever the case may be. I'm not entirely sure what that looks like yet, but that is definitely a plan for down the road. But the problem with premium content is that it takes time to make and produce. And I have a full-time job, I got a family, responsibilities, so it's gonna be a little bit difficult to get that out there. So I do need to make sure that what I'm going to be creating will be valuable for those that are willing to join the Casual Builds community. So if you have any ideas on what you'd like to see there, let me know down in the comments below. So that's all I really wanted to say in this video, kind of talk about the reason why I haven't been posting to Casual Builds in quite some time, the fact that we moved to Colorado, future plans for the channel. I have this garage, I have all of my stuff in boxes still, and I have a lot of projects that I need to do in here. So there will be plenty of opportunities for me to create new videos and kind of walk through and show you my process. So if you're not already, please subscribe. If you want to come along for the journey, I am going to continue to make DIY beginner woodworking projects, and let's go on this journey together and learn together. So thanks guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.